Tell me what you think. But for me, this is fucking red. No me jodas. We have here the new off-road Desatascar for my Suburban 2022. Come on. I found this product in Amazon, and for me, in other years, I had this kind of product. I like it, but not more expensive, because I think that in many moments, in many products, the price for two plastic things is a lot of expensive. I found that off-road product for $19 and I think that it's exactly that I need. Maybe the weight, it's nice. In my last time I had the color full black, and in this case I choose orange black. It's more red than orange, so yeah. I white this color and not exactly this, but okay. Things I don't know why in Amazon you can look and you can see the product like with orange or with red. I don't know, maybe it was we can see here orange, true? Orange, blue. Okay. 18 $8. In the image you can see orange. But in real, tell me what you think. But for me, this is fucking red. No me jodas. It's more red than orange. The rest of the product looks nice. Good size. Good plastic. Heavy. Resistant. Look at. One problem that I don't like it is the color of this. Always I choose full black, but in this occasion I decide to do opportunity to one different color. And well, maybe it was not a bad idea, because red, and the position for this will to be there, yeah. So okay, maybe when the first time I use it, I hope that never I will to do another review about the product, but in this occasion only say that if you white orange color, this is red. But the rest of the product is nice. I'm happy. It's a good election. after I will to record how look put in the car.